Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Zero. My name is Rasim. Today we are gonna talk about Solidity version management tools. Its name is Solc-Select. We will install together. Let's have a look quickly. It is open source project. You can find it on the GitHub from this address, on this address. To use it, you need Python package manager, pip3. Later on, you can quickly start to installation process, and then you can start to use it. Let's see. First of all, let's install our Solc-Select project. By the way, with the Solc-Select, we are able to quickly switch between Solidity compiler versions. Yeah, time to time, depending on the library, we need the previous version or latest version. You can use it safely. Similar tools, yeah, we have in other language as well. For example, for the Node.js projects, yeah, we are using NVM to use different version of Node.js. So let's start. pip3 install Solc-Select. Okay, installed. Let's have a look our current Solidity version. Yeah, as you see, I am using 0.810, but my project requires 0.5. First of all, let's have a look what kind of versions are available for installation for the Solidity. To see the version, we use this command. You see, it listed all of the available version. By the way, if you get any error like that, something like that, certification error, you can easily run the command that's shown on the documentation on the GitHub. Yeah, but the important things is Python version actively, which Python version if you are using. Just update this one, and then it will fix the issues. Yeah, at least I am using MacBook Pro M1 CPU, and it fixed the issue, and it's working fine. So what I need for my project, I need to install this Solidity version to my computer. And install. Okay, and then let's have a look. Solidity version. Okay, actually we have two versions, and let's say we want to use older version. So I am activating the older version. Yeah, it looks something like that. Okay. Setting. Let's have a look. Solidity version. You see, it is working fine. Let me switch with the latest one. 8 and 10. Okay, let's have a look at the version. Yeah, done. Yeah, as you see, guys, yeah, we are able to use different versions with the Solc-Select program. Yeah, during the installation, yeah, I lived one issue about the certification, and I fix it with this one. Yes, in here with this command, as you see in here, macros. Yeah, it is a common issue, I think, for the most of the time. Just be careful about your Python version. Okay, if you know, switch with the right Python version, later on it will install, and then all of the commands will work properly. Yeah, in general, if we summarize, yeah, in a nutshell, to use Solidity package management program, what do we need? First of all, we are installing Solc-Select by using Python package manager by pip3. Later on, we are listing all of the available Solidity version with this command, and then we are installing the required Solidity version with this command. And if we want, we can install, you know, 2 different Solidity version, 10 different Solidity version, and then to activate the version that we want to use, we are using this command, Solc-Select use version number. Okay, and then yeah, you can list all of the installed version with this command as well. Yeah, that's all, guys. Yeah, as you see, it is simple but very useful, and we want. Yeah, that's all, guys. Yeah, keep in touch.